Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the door. We'll go inside. And just here on the left side in the lower part is the hood release. Lift up on the hood, find the safety release. It's a lever here, push it to the passenger side to unlock it, lift it up, prop rod's here, we'll put it in place. To replace the turn signal light bulb, that's in the front of the headlight housing here, we'll go in from the behind and you can just slide your hand in here. The socket's right here. Being careful with the sheet metal. I turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. I'll pull it out. And I'll use my other hand, reach in here. You can pull the bulb straight out. This is a WY21W, which is 7440, but it's an amber. Put it right back in to replace it. And then slide it back into the housing. Kind of find the openings for the locks. There it is. And then I'll turn it clockwise to lock it in place. This particular car has xenon headlights. So this light in here is not the high beam, it's actually a daytime running light. So if you come behind, you can reach it. And this is all the same as the driver's side. There's a lock cover in here. I'll turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it out. Turn the other socket counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. This particular one has an LED in here, but it would be changed the same exact way. You'd push it down and then unlock it and pull it out. You can just turn it to unlock it, pull it out, push it back in, and of course it will go right back into the headlight housing. Go right back into the opening, find the locks, and once it slides in place, you turn it clockwise to lock it, and then replace the cover. These usually have an arrow on them that shows the direction, but you also have to find the locks. So you kind of have to get it lined up in here. There it is. Turn it clockwise to lock it. This little marker light that's down here in the bottom of the headlight, it's a little difficult to access, but you can get to it. There's an opening in the fender in the engine compartment. So we'll go all the way in, and the socket's kind of up here. And then I'll turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it right out. And it has enough wire to get it out here. It's just an amber 194 peanut bulb. You can pull it right out to replace it. This one's in pretty good shape. Wasn't burned out, so I'll reuse it. Push it right back in. And I'll guide this socket and the bulb right back into the headlight housing. There it is. Kind of find the locks and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. There we go. So the main headlight bulb on this vehicle is a xenon bulb. So you'll be very careful with it. We'll make sure the headlights have been off for at least 10 minutes. So that the charge can leave the ballast. We'll go on the back here. There is a little cover. We'll turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. The arrows that are on there are only for the lock direction. Make sure you don't drop the cover because it's not connected. I'll put that in a safe place. To reach in back behind the bulb, we have to actually unlock the connector. So we turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Just kind of gently. Gently pull it off. You don't want to pull it off the wires that are in there. Like put that aside. That will stay with the headlight housing. Now the bulb, you definitely want to wear gloves with these. You don't want to touch these bulbs because any type of oils on your skin will ruin xenon bulbs because they burn so hot. There's a tiny metal tab that's like a little spring lock. You push it down and then up and open it. And with that unlocked, you can pull the bulb out. That's the xenon bulb. So always wear gloves, and even when you're wearing gloves, just don't touch the bulb. This one was working, so I'm going to put it back in place. There are a couple tabs on the housing of the bulb and a locating tab here. Make sure I see those. Carefully put it back into the housing. Just kind of sits in place, and then we'll reinstall the little wire tabs that hold it down. Just like that. Reinstall the connector. So you do have to find those little pins in there. So I'm going to start with it sort of turned this way. Same way I took it off. Find the back of the bulb. There it is. So reinstall the cover. The arrow goes to the top. There's another arrow telling you which direction to turn it so you can find the openings and the locks. Just like that. And then turn it clockwise to lock it. It's pretty tight because you don't want any water getting in there. And that's the headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.